Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible to all of you? Shantanu, anything funny? Then stop showing your teeth. Okay. Look, student, today what we are going to start, that is programming section using Java. So that is very important. That is very different topic. So pay attention, clear your doubt so that you are able to write the program. Is that clear? Okay. I am going to share my screen. The following step from page number 58, starting BlueJ. Page number 58 is starting BlueJ. You have to tick that respective topic when I will perform that on the software, that is BlueJ. Okay, I am going to share my screen. Tell me whether the screen is visible to you or not. Computer screen is visible to everyone? Okay. Prakhar, it is visible? Okay. I am going to, this is BlueJ. This bird symbol, icon, that is visible to everyone. Now I am going to perform double click. Or another step to start BlueJ is click on the start button, then go to all program and then BlueJ. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yes, Shantanu, what is doubt in that, beta?
No, sir, the screen is not visible.
Not visible. Wait a minute. Actually, there is some connection or net issue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That will be visible. So what is the proper step? We have to click on the start button. This is the start button. Then all program and then BlueJ folder and again BlueJ. Okay. That is a proper procedure. But if icon is present on the desktop, just double click on that. This is your BlueJ. So tick that topic starting BlueJ. That is clear to everyone. Okay. Next one is creating a Java program. Now I am going to tell you how we can perform any work, how we can create any program on Java. Okay. For this, I am going to tell you one simple program. Okay. What is that? That is given on page number 59, means welcome to the world of Java and BlueJ. Okay. So we are going to make one program. First, we have to make one project, means folder, new project, class 8. Okay, class 8. Now project is ready. When project is ready, this particular icon is visible. Okay, now click on the new class. Now no need to create another project. Just make all the program within the same project, means same folder. Okay, now we have to click on the new class. After that, I have to type class name. What is class name in that figure? Figure 5.8, that is welcome. Okay, so I have to type welcome and I will click enter button. This rectangular box will appear in front of you. Okay, now what is the next step? We have to just perform right click. There is a pop-up menu appear in front of you. Just click on open editor. Okay, up to this step, any doubt? Any kind of doubt? No? Yes, Chaitanya, what is your doubt?
Sir, you can repeat one time, sir. My PC is taking some time.
Better speak loudly.
Sir, you can repeat the steps again, sir. My laptop is taking some time to open.
Okay, no problem. I am going to close this. When we open the BlueJ, we have to first create the project. For that, we have to click on project and click on new project. A box will appear. Write the name of the project, means that is a kind of folder, and click on OK. Okay. After creation, this icon will appear. After that, we start making program in the same project. Okay, for this we have to click on the new class. When we click on the new class, again a pop-up box will appear. Just write down the name of the class. I already written that name, that is welcome, and after that click on OK. Is that clear? After that, this rectangular box will appear when we create the class. Just right click on that and click on open editor. Something written in visible there, just delete the selected content that I am selecting, delete, and after that public class will come. We have to keep this, and remaining thing we have to delete. Only these three things we have to leave. That is public class welcome, opening curly braces and closing curly braces. Is that clear? Any kind of doubt? That is clear? Okay, now I am going to write program. How we have to write program? We have to first create method, that is public static void main in bracket string and then args and then square bracket open, square bracket close, and finally bracket close. Okay, this is the statement that you have to learn right now. Public means that this method is accessible everywhere. Static means no need to create object for this method. Void means return type. There is no return type of the method, means everything is calculated within the method, and printing also perform in the method. Main is the name of the method. String RGS means we are going to take input that we have to save in this array. Okay, so we have to learn this. No need to use your brain in this particular statement. Yes, Chaitanya?
Sir, we have to select and delete all the which you are opening when this all comes.
Yes, everything except public class and class name and opening curly braces and closing curly braces. Is that clear? Yes, Devansh.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, every time we have to write public static void main. And
Yes, every time you have to write this line. So just learn this line. Okay. Yes, Arsh.
Sir, after string args bracket close, one that comma will be also there, no?
Sorry.
Sir, upside dot and down comma is there. That also we have to do, no?
In this particular line.
No, sir. At the last of this public static void main string
Yes.
args, after closing the bracket, over there one comma will also come, no?
No. If we place comma, it means that particular method ended over there. This is the name of the method. If some statement is there, then we have to put semicolon over there. That is not comma, that is semicolon. But in front of method name, no need to put that. Otherwise, it will throw error. Is that clear? After that, I am going to print the statement. For printing the statement, we have to write yes, Shantanu. Tell me. Your voice is not audible, beta.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Sir, from where we'll get BlueJ?
What? This software, BlueJ,
Yes, sir.
that is available on the internet. First, you have to install Java in your computer. After that, you have to install this BlueJ. First, you have to install JDK. JDK means Java. Okay, Java Development Kit. And after that, you have to install BlueJ. If you directly install BlueJ, it will not work. Is that clear? That is available on the internet. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I am going to print the statement system. In system, S should be capital. This should be capital. Is that clear? Java is a case sensitive language, so capital and small is different. So S should be capital because that is a class name. System dot out dot print ln. If we are using print, then after printing, cursor will blink on the same line. If we use print ln, then cursor will move to the next line. That is the difference. Now I am going to type the message. Any message, if we want to print as it is, we have to put that in double quote. Okay, just I am writing. Just see, welcome to the world of Java and BlueJ. Double quote close, bracket close, and then termination mark, and after that curly braces close. Just see here this particular code that I highlighted. That is the method name. Opening curly braces means opening body of that method. After that, this printing statement, this termination mark should be placed there because it indicates ending of that particular statement. After that, curly braces close means ending of body of that method, and after that, curly braces this one means ending of class. Is there any kind of doubt in this program? I am going to compile it. Let us check what is the procedure. Just click, just see this button is compiled. Java program should be run in 2 steps. First one is compilation and second one is running. First compile. Just see here a message is displayed. Class compiled, no syntax error. Is that visible? That is at the bottom. Class compiled, no syntax error. This one. Okay. If no error, then you are able to execute the program. How? Just see that. I am going to close this window. Now right click on that rectangular box and click on void main string args. Okay. And click on OK. This output will be appeared. Welcome to the world of Java and BlueJ. Is that clear? Is that clear? So this is your first program. Isn't it exciting? Huh? You are going to make some program, software or something. That is very interesting. Okay. Yes, Shantanu.
Please explain the last one, that command system.out print. Can you show once again, sir?
That is a printing statement. If we want to print anything, just write down system.out.println. S should be capital in system. Remaining thing is small. And after that, open one bracket and in double quote write your message. Is that clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
That's all.
Now we are going to make one more program. Okay. What is that? We are going to print our name on the screen. Is that clear? Rudransh, any doubt? Yes.
Sir, I want to ask that, sir, that which or the quotation you have used, that system.out.println, sir, to print anything, this one we will use.
Yes. If we want to print anything, we have to put that in that bracket in the system.out.println. Okay.
And sir, for every line we have to write, or one time we have written and then we can write our program?
Sorry, repeat your question.
So like one line we have written with this quotation, the next line again we have to write this quotation, and then in the bracket we have to put what we have to write.
Yes. How many times you want to print the statement, you have to do that. Okay. I am going to edit the same program. Okay. For printing our name. Just see that. This is our first printing statement. After that, I am going to print one more statement. Just click enter and write down again system.out.println. In double quote, I am going to write my name. Okay. Then termination mark. I am going to save it. Class and save button. After that, compile. Compilation is essential every time when you are going to edit the program. Just click on the compile. Again, message is displayed. Class compile, no syntax error. Okay, I am going to close this window. Again, I will perform right click and click on void main string args and then OK. Just see the message. Welcome to the world of Java. This first line is previous one output because I forgot to clear that. Okay. Welcome to the world of Java and BlueJ and then my name. Okay. I'm going to clear it and I'm going to run the program once again after some editing. I'm going to write down Mr. Okay. After that, again save, compile. Compilation is okay. No syntax error. Right click, void string args, then okay. Welcome to the world of Java and BlueJ, Mr. My name. Is that clear? Any kind of confusion? I am going to stop the screen share. If you have any doubt, just clear it. Yes. Arsh, any doubt? Remove this raise and mark. Hariom, any doubt? Yes.
Sir, in every program we will use public static void.
Yes. Public static void should be there. We remove this public static void in the next class. Okay. We have to use in the, because we doesn't understand clearly what is the exact concept of object. When we clearly understand that, after that we remove this public static void mean. Is that clear? Yes, Akash.
Sir, in the desktop, BlueJ is not working properly.
First, you have installed JDK.
No, sir.
First install JDK. First uninstall that BlueJ. Okay. First install JDK. Search from the net. First install JDK, and after that install BlueJ. Then it will work. Okay.
Sir, from oracle.com, we have to download the JDK.
Yes, that is available on the Oracle. Yes, Akshat.
Sir, how we will download BlueJ?
That is available on the Google. Just search it, BlueJ. That is available on the internet. Okay, and no need to pay any money for that. That is free. Yes, Asmit.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, when I've written my name, then
Yes.
I've clicked on compile, then compilation was showing that it was no syntax error. Sir,
Okay.
then when I've opened that void main string, then sir, it is not opening.
Okay, just show me your program. Okay, little bit left, little bit left. Okay, little bit more. Okay. System.out.println. Okay, no problem is there. Compilation is okay. Just close this window. Okay, click on the rectangular box and click on yes. Click on
This one?
that. Okay, click on OK. Click on OK button. No output is there.
No, sir.
Why?
Open. Sir, in back side it will be there, no? Windows there.
Just minimize this window.
Yes.
Close the program first.
Yes,
That is
sir.
visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt? Any other doubt? Chaitanya, any doubt? No, then remove this raise and mark. Yes, Hariom.
Sir, when you are starting the new project, then some program is coming, then sir, why you are deleting that?
Because that is the default class and comments that is created by the compiler itself, and that is not required for the my programming. I want to do my programming in my style. That's why I delete that. Okay,
Sir,
except the class name. Except the class name. Okay.
Sir, and if we directly compile that programming that is given by the system, sir, then it will not show anything.
Sorry, repeat your question.
Sir, like that program given by the system, sir, that will compile, then what will happen?
No, that is not the complete program. That is only the name of class, name of method. That's all. Nothing is written within the class. Okay, that is only structure, not the program. Is that clear? Okay. Yes, Chaitanya.
Sir, that yellow color box in which we have written public static void main string args, sir, that box is not becoming big, and we have to write that sign which what it
default to it. Sir, I show you.
Yes. Show me. Be quick, beta, because I have to explain more program.
Share screen option is not coming.
That is possible? No.
Share screen option is not there, sir. I am not having mobile at this time.
Okay, no problem. Just monitor or remaining program. I think you will understand. Okay. Yes, Piyush.
Sir, can I use Visual Studio Code instead of BlueJ for Java?
No. Both language are different. Both language.
After installing some packages, it will work.
No, it will work, but that is not the correct one. If you write that program in the examination, I will cut marks because Java is different and Visual Basic is different. Is that clear? Yes, Arsh.
What program we are writing in BlueJ, that same we can write in IntelliJ IDEA also by downloading Java package JDK. Because in IntelliJ, it's a code editor it is. You might be knowing. So sir, because in that better options are also coming, fast typing. So sir, program will be same. It will work in both.
That will work, but we have to follow the syllabus. If BlueJ is available for the software coding, we have to follow the procedure of BlueJ, not other software. Is that clear?
Okay,
so
sir.
we have to follow, we have to focus. If I am going to explain Java programming from Notepad, that is very difficult to understand for you all. So something syllabus is made by some intelligent person, that is according to your level. You are able to understand, but what about the remaining student? Okay, so we have to follow the BlueJ option. Okay.
And
okay.
sir,
Yes.
Sir, instead of public static void main, if we are writing private or any other than that, then
no. Main method should be public. Main method should be public. That is a main method. Okay. Instead of that, if you write private, that will throw error. Okay. I am going to explain few more program. Just focus on that. I am going to share my screen. Okay. Just keep in mind, take the snapshot, take the pic of the program because you have to write those program in your copy. And just keep one thing in mind, that capital you have to write in capital, whatever written in small you have to write in small, because Java is case sensitive, capital and small have different meaning. Shantanu, what is doubt in that? Mute yourself, beta, be quick.
Good morning. Sir, from where we will write the program?
That is given on page number 59, and few code also added by me. So everyone be ready with your mobile, take the pic. Okay, because you have to write those program in your computer copy. Is that clear? Just write down the chapter name and you have to complete the program daily basis. I am going to open the program, just take the pic of that. Take the pic or snapshot, be quick. This is program number 1. This is program number 1. Okay, I am going to close the program. Now, within the same project, I am going to open new program. Class name will be is that class name will be name. That program is available on page number 62. Page number 62. Okay, again just see here how we have to remove the existing code. Open the editor and after that select the statement, accept class name and click delete button. Again select those statement, click delete button. Again few thing is left, just click the delete button. Only class name and 2 curly braces should be there. After that we are going to write the program. What we have to write? Public static void main, and then string args, and then opening square bracket, closing square bracket, final bracket close, then enter, then curly braces open, and फिर printing statement system dot out dot print ln and opening curly bracket and then opening quote. What we have to perform in this program? Write a program to print your name 4 times in the same line. Okay, means we have to type our name 4 times. I am going to write my name. Okay, then double quote close. Then I have to put one plus sign. Plus means this will going to combine the result. Okay, again I will write the name. Okay, again I will put plus sign. Again I will write my name. Again double quote close. Again I will put, we have to write name 4 times. Okay, bracket close and then termination mark. After that we have to close the method and class is already closed. Is there any doubt in this program? This plus role play the role of concatenation, means joining the four names together and print that. Yes, Hariom.
Sir, why you have written print ln?
Sorry, print ln or print, both is used for printing. Print ln, print the statement, and after that cursor will go to the next line. Means if we print multiple statement, then it will come in different line. Is that clear? If we use print statement, then second line will be printed in the same first line. Just see the output. I am going to explain it. Don't worry about that. Suppose it is print. Okay. After that, again, I am going to print something. Okay. And I will write something ABC. In both we use print statement. Here suppose I am using println. That doesn't matter. Okay, I am going to close this, compile this. Compilation is okay. I am going to execute this. Just see the output. Name and that ABC all come in single line. Is that clear? And suppose I am using println. I am going to edit the program. I am using println here. Then what is going to perform? Just see the output. That ABC statement will appear in the next line. That is the difference between print and println. Means if we use println, cursor will move to the next line. If another statement is there, it will print that statement in the next line. Is that clear? Okay, I am going to clear this. Okay, so we are going to edit this program. Why? Because all my name 4 times, that is concatenated. That is very difficult to read. So I will put a space in double quote like this. Just see the changes. Okay, I am going to delete this line that is not required. Okay, save and then compile. Just see the role of space. After that, okay, just see the output. There is a space between my name. Is that clear? So this is your second program. Just take the snapshot or pick program number 2 for this chapter. Note it down in your copy. Is that clear? I am going to close this. Yes, Rudransh.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the copy, we have to write only input or we have to show the output also of that program.
Of course, you have to show the output.
Okay.
Write the program and write output heading and write the output. Is that clear? No need to draw that box. Just write the program, put heading output and write the output. Is that clear? Okay. Yes, Piyush.
Sir, what does ARGS do?
ARGS is the name of this array. That is very different thing and high level thing. Array is a kind of data structure where we can save the data. Okay.
That can we change the name?
Yes. If you want to rename anything, I will write only A. There is no error. Just see. I am going to compile it. There is no error. Okay. Okay. Yes, Hariom.
Sir, no questions for this program.
Okay, then remove this raise and mark. Yes, Reyansh.
Sir, you are given the space between the words.
Just after writing name, put click on that and just press space bar. After that, close the double quote. Anything that you written in that double quote, it will be printed as it is. Okay. So after writing name, just press space bar and close the double quote. It will create a space in the output.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Anurag.
Sir, we have to write in output also, input and output both in copy.
Yes. No.
Okay, sir.
To write the output. Is that clear?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Shantanu. Beta, first unmute yourself. You are very slow.
Sir, why do we use square bracket?
That is square bracket is the procedure to create array. That is a procedure. Just like grammar, we have to follow some rules. Similarly, in Java, there are some syntax. We have to follow that. Is that clear?
Okay.
Yes, Harsh.
Sir, simply we can write system.out.println, then double quotes, and between that only 4 times we can write our name. Then why 4 times different
That
quotation
is
we are
given
using?
in the question. That is given in the question. We have
But
to
sir,
put
if
your
we
name
will
4
write
times.
like that only, like if in one quotation mark only, we will
Yes,
write all,
you can
then
write.
also it will
You
work.
can
No?
write the reason behind that. In the book, they want to show the role of plus operator. Here, if there are two string, plus operator will act as an concatenation operator. Is that clear?
Okay, so thank you.
Yes, Angad, first switch on your video. Yes, what is your doubt?
Sir, can you show both the outputs one more time?
Yes, I am going to show this program only.
No, sir, both program outputs.
Both program. Okay, I am going to display it. Just take the snapshot. First,
Yes.
program 1. Wait a minute. This is the previous one. I am going to delete it. After that, I will run the program. This is output of first program. First, welcome to the world of Java and BlueJ. And after that, I added one line that is not in the book. That is, I want to display my name. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I am going to first clear it because in the next program it will be visible. Okay, this is output of second program. Just write your name, not my name, in your program. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, just everybody pay attention. You have to mention your name, not my name. Okay. If anyone put my name in their program, I will cut that. And just pay attention, write program very carefully. Okay, because Java program is case sensitive, capital small is very different. Okay, we are going to perform third program. Piyush, what is doubt? What is your doubt?
Sir, can we use a multiplication operator instead of plus?
No. Plus, can we use multiply sign in addition? No. Similarly, we can't use multiply sign in concatenation. Okay. Okay. Next, we are going to perform third program that is given on page number 62. Write a program to display name, class, and roll number of a student. Okay. I'm going to write name of class is biodata. Biodata. Okay. Just see here. First, I will delete unwanted things present here. Okay. After that, I am going to create method that is public static void main and in bracket string and A. I'm not going to write args. After that, enter, curly braces open. We have to write 4 times print statement. System dot out dot print. Piyush, mute yourself. Yes, Riddhi.
Sir, you have not written system is 3 terms.
Sorry. SYS, that will throw error. Don't worry about that. Okay. If I forgot to write anything in the program, when I compile, it will throw error. Okay. System.out.print. I have to use println because I have to print the data in different line. Okay. First one is my name. Okay. After that, again next statement. Again I have to write system.out.println. After that, I have to display my class. Okay. Suppose I am in class 12th. Okay. And after that, I have to represent my roll number here. Suppose I am writing roll number 1. Okay. Like this. And after that, I will close the curly braces. There. Angad, why don't you mute yourself? Yes, I am going to compile it. Compile. There is one error. We have to check. What is that? Press Ctrl plus K. Message will be displayed. Package stem does not exist. Means I write SYSTEM. Is that clear? After that, again saving, Ctrl plus S, shortcut for save, compile. There is no syntax error. After that, I am going to execute it. Just see the output. My name, class, and roll number. Okay. Suppose I want to write name and then my name. I have to change program. What I have to do? Just write here name and then colon and then 1 space. After that, class colon and 1 space. And after that, R underscore NO. This symbol is underscore. Do you know that? Then compilation is okay. And after that, I am going to execute this. Just see the output. Name, then my name, class, then my class, roll number, then my roll number. Is that clear? So everybody take the snapshot of this program. I am going to open the editor. Take the snapshot. This is your program number 3 that you have to write in the copy. Be quick. Done. After that output, I am going to open the output. Take the snapshot of output because you have to write it. Wait a minute. Yes. Take the output and please mention your name, your class and your roll number, not my name. Okay. I'm going to close the program, close the screen share. Okay. Open page number 60. Remaining things are explained by me. Open page number 60. There are few things that we have to explain, discuss. What is that? First one is structure of Java program. First one is comment. If anything that is written like this, anything you want to write and then asterisk and then this is called comment. Means that is ignored by the compiler, that have no meaning for the compiler. That is for your reading, your understanding. Is that clear? This is called multi-line comment. There is also another way to double slash and write thing. That is single line comment. This is single line means we are able to write anything within one line. If we write anything except one line, that will throw error. Means like given lines are for this purpose. If you want to put some label for the program. This is multi-line comment and this is single line comment. And what is comment? Comment are the special documents that have no meaning for the compiler. Compiler just ignore that. Okay. Next one is class declaration. What is declaration? Writing name of class, and then class name, and then opening curly braces, closing curly braces. This is called class declaration. Class and class name. Okay. Class should be written in small. After that, main, we already studied. Main is a method. We have to write public static void main. Is that clear? Third one is public. What is public? If public is written in front of any class, in front of any method that is accessible to everyone. Riddhi, pay attention here. Wait a minute. Riddhi?
Yes, sir.
You are busy in conversation with other. That is visible on the screen. Just pay attention. Yes. So public is a SS specifier. If public is written in front of any method, anything, that is that method, that class is accessible everywhere. Means within the class, outside the class, outside the package. Is that clear? Just tick all those points. That is very important. And write most important. Structure of Java program, most important. Comment explained, declaration explained, main, public, void. If void is written in front of any method, means there is no return type. Means that method is going to print each and every statement within itself. That just like public static void main, we have to print everything in that. That doesn't calculate and return anything. Okay. Next one is string args. That is a kind of array which store string type of value. Last one is system.out.println, that is used for printing. So all the things are clear. Any confusion, any doubt? Okay, good. So up to page number 62, we completed each and everything. If there is any doubt, you can ask. Yes, Arushi.
Sir, I want to ask that while writing programs in our copy, sir, how it was shown in the computer, that way only we have to write by making boxes and all.
Yes,
write that
exactly
only.
same, without any without skipping any bracket, anything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, Hariom. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt regarding writing program, regarding any topic? Yes, Abhay.
Sir, I want to ask that which programming which you have shown that only you have to write in copy.
Yes, you have to write 3 programs in your copy. That is explained by me. Even we discuss lots of programming so that you are able to write the program in your answer sheet. Okay. So you have to take the snapshot and you have to write that program in your copy. Today, 3 programs are explained and you have to write that in your copy in this chapter. Oh, yes, Rudransh.
Yes, sir, I want to ask that, sir, that 3 programs which you have executed, sir, that all 3 programs will show together in one page or different web page that 3 programs will be shown?
No, after writing program, write the output. If some space is left, start the next program from there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt? Yes, Hariom.
Sir, if we if we miss to write any space colon, sir, then it will affect in the compilation.
Yes, that will throw error. Every space, every capital, small, every bracket is very important to place at the correct place. That is very important. Okay, even semicolon and each and everything. Otherwise, program will not run. It will throw error. It doesn't give you output. Is that clear? Yes, Anubhav?
Sir, the program is written in color, so we have to use the color.
No, just use blue pen, nothing else. Write down the question. Okay, if no question is there, write down the program directly with the blue pen. After that, put heading output with black pen and write the output. Okay, no need to draw that box also that is drawn in the book. Okay, just write the simple program. Is that clear? Okay, I hope there is no other doubt. Just revise up to this topic, go through the program, install BlueJ in your system. First install JDK, and after that install BlueJ. Okay, that now at that time that will first install JDK. That is very important. That is Java. Okay, after that BlueJ will run. Yes, Akshat.
Why it is asking to make an account?
Sorry.
Why it is asking to make an account?
Make an account? No, that is not required.
On Oracle. On Oracle.
It is not required. Okay, just search from some other source. That is not required. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, class. Complete programming up to here. Okay, thank you. Thank you.